good morning. This is the morning glow. Morning glow? Saan banda? So, now, at last, pagkuha tayo ng lemon. Water lemon. Saan ba yung blender? Nagawa yung with honey and ginger. But it's fine. So, ngayon, naghihiwa tayo ng pang ating salad. So, guys, kailang araw na kasi. Doon na siya. So, just wash it here. Yun guys, tapos malalagay tayo ng napadami chili, and then onting paminta, and then squeeze ng lemon, then we're gonna mix it. Sana pa nga yung buto. So I'm gonna try. Anghang. Anghang siya. Okay man. Anghang. Tasteless guys. Inagdan ko pala siya ng toyo. So if you don't have sesame oil, you can also use olive oil. Napadami lang chili ko, chili powder. Okay naman. You can also add cucumber. Kahit ano, okay lang. Maya kayo. So yan. And over here. So we have lettuce. Ay kuya, kain po. Milk na hindi makita. Since meron pala silang chicken dito, fried chicken, so ito naman kakainin natin. Pero I used to fry yung breast part lang, tapos with the pepper and salt, hindi na, or minsan konti lang, and then rosemary. Sarap siya guys. So this one and this one, that's it for breakfast. Bon appetit! Naka-black ah. Nakakamiss lang si Ryan.
Ganyan din yun siya. Kung nandito yun.
Egg? Ay!
Four?
Yan. Tadan! Ay, talagang nabidyoan ang ano.
Hindi mo na isang.
Ano eh. Yummers!